Hey everyone, welcome back to another campground tour. Today we're doing Lake Griffin State Park, and we're heading right by the ranger station and check-in office, and we'll be making a left towards the campground. Straight ahead is the parking lot and boat ramp that we will check out right after the campground. So off we go towards the campground itself. Lake Griffin State Park is about 2 miles north of Leesburg, near Fuitland Park, and just east of the Villages in Florida. Campground has 40 sites. I'll have electric and electric and water. 7 of them have sewer. So here we are at the entrance to the campground itself. We'll be making a left, and on our right is site 27. On our left is sites 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that way. On our right is a pull-through site, number 28. Sites 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, I believe all have sewer. The funny thing is, a couple of the campground hosts are occupying some of the sewer sites, so that limits the availability. There is a dump station that will pass by, so I'll show you where that is. And on our right are sites 29, 30, 31, 32. And on our left are sites 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Another pull-through site, number 33, on our right. And as we go around this loop, sites 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 will be on our left, and pull-through sites 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38 will be on our right. All of the sites are gravel, pretty much flat, not too many issues leveling our camper. The whole campground is well maintained. It's a really lovely park. The park itself is quiet, but it's not far from a major road, so you do hear some of the traffic from that road. And we'll be driving over the dump station right here. We actually utilized that twice. We were there for 2 weeks, and we utilized it twice. Straight ahead is campsite 39. And our left will be sites 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And up ahead you'll see the pathway up to the shower house. There's men's and women's restrooms, showers, along with laundry service. And that's it for the campground. Not very big, but very nice. We really enjoyed our time staying here. On the left coming up will be a dumpster where we took our trash, and we'll go back out the way we came in. Now this park is famous for having the second oldest live oak tree. It's estimated to be 400 to 500 years old, and it's big, trust me. And to get to that tree, basically there's a path straight ahead. We'll take a left here down to the parking lot and boat launch. And on the left, you can't really see it, but there's a large picnic area with lots of picnic tables. Okay. And here is the boat ramp. If you see in the background back there, there is a pontoon boat, and they offer tours of the area. I think twice a week. There's a phone number that you can call and book that. I think it was like 20 or 25 a person. They have kayaks there, but when we were there in March of 24, they were not offering the rental of it, so I'm not really sure what's going on with that. And that's pretty much it. Not a very big park. There are some hiking trails, nature trails, not very long, but interesting. It was a peaceful 2 weeks. We spent a lot of time in the villages, actually. I just want to thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watch out for our other videos.